You've probably had a great idea for an app, but then you hit a wall. Building it usually means learning a complex new language, and it's easy to end up right here, feeling stuck and overwhelmed. To see why it's so difficult, we have to look at how apps are built. Most applications rely on three distinct layers, which work almost exactly like the layout of a restaurant. Think of the front end as your dining room and your menu. This is the visual part, where your customers sit down, look at the options, and click on what they want. Behind those swinging doors is the back end, or the kitchen. This is the hidden area where all the work happens to turn a customer's request into a finished result. Finally, every kitchen needs a database, which acts like the pantry. It's the secure storage space where you keep all your ingredients and customer records organized for later. Usually, you would have to build every one of these sections yourself. You'd have to learn how to be the architect, the head chef, and the pantry manager all at once. But a new tool called Bolt.new changes the rules. It acts like a master chef who builds the entire restaurant for you. You just describe what you want in plain English, and the AI handles the construction right in your browser. Let's try it. We'll ask for a Dream Analyzer app, a place where people can type in their weird dreams and get back a psychological explanation. We just type that request into a simple chat box. The AI goes to work immediately. As it reads our instructions, it starts building the dining room and kitchen simultaneously. It moves fast by using libraries and packages, basically pre-made recipes. These are pieces of code others have already written and tested. Because the AI can reach for these pre-made recipes, it doesn't have to reinvent the wheel. It already knows how to create a button or a text box, so it can focus on the specific features you asked for. Within seconds, that initial request turns into a functioning app. We have a clean design, a place to type, and an Analyze button ready. But when we try to use it, we hit a snag. We type a dream, click the button, nothing happens. The app is stuck. If this were a traditional project, this is where most people would give up. But it's important to remember that things breaking and crashing is just a normal part of the process. Usually, fixing this is a nightmare. You dig through a wall of messy code, searching for one tiny mistake causing the whole thing to fail. Instead of hunting for a typo, we just talk to the AI. We tell it, "The analyzer isn't working. Please fix it." And while you're at it, make the background purple. The AI reads that feedback and starts straightening out the mess on its own. It finds the instructions that weren't communicating properly and rewrites them so the kitchen and dining room finally work together. Now the app works perfectly and looks exactly how we wanted. You didn't have to become a computer expert to fix it. You just had to be clear about the problem you were seeing. The app is finished, but right now it's only on your computer. It's like having a beautiful restaurant that's fully built, but the front doors are still locked to the public. To let people in, you need hosting to connect your app to the network. Normally, manually wiring this digital plumbing is a massive headache, but click Deploy, and Bolt.new's AI handles the heavy lifting, seamlessly hooking up the connection in the background. Just like that, you're given a live link. Send it to your friends, share on social media, and let the world use your custom Dream Analyzer today. You've just built and launched a full application, from the visual design to the hidden logic and the storage, without writing a single line of code. Plain English is the new programming language. With powerful tools like this, the only thing you need to build on the internet is your imagination. What are you going to build first? Let me know in the comments.